Clearing your search history on Gmail can help maintain your privacy and declutter your experience. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open Gmail. Log into your Gmail account using your preferred web browser. Make sure you are on the main inbox page. Step 2. Access search bar. Locate the search bar at the top of the Gmail interface. Click on it to activate the search options. Step 3. View search history. Once the search bar is active, you will see a drop-down list of your recent searches. This list shows the queries you have entered previously. Step 4. Remove individual searches. Hover over the search term you wish to delete. You will see an X icon appear next to it. Click on this X to remove that specific search from your history. Step 5. Clear all search history. If you want to clear all your search history, you will need to go to the Settings menu. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner, select the All Settings, then navigate to the General tab. Look for the option to clear search history and follow the prompts to delete everything. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and clear your search history in Gmail. Regularly doing this can help keep your account organized and private.